Australian-owned gold mining company Troy Resources Inc. is still refusing to negotiate terms with the People's United and General Workers Union. Troy Resources last month terminated the contract of employment of over 300 Guyanese employees. Troy Resources said that it was rendered financially crippled after 6 weeks closure of its operations. The closure was ordered by the government following the death of a geologist in a mining pit accident. However, the president of the union, Lincoln Lewis, explained that it has sought the advice of its lawyers to forcefully get an answer out of Troy Resources for them to have a dialogue.
Our lawyers have advised us that the penalties that are in the law is too minuscule to only address that issue, of where they have not satisfied the requirements that the law stipulate when you're going to make people redundant.
The union says that the company has disregarded the local labor laws concerning the termination of a contract. But if found culpable of this act, Troy Resources will only be fined between $20,000 and $25,000. The union hinted that further legal action may be the best option to not only compensate workers, but to also send a message to other foreign companies operating in Ghana.
Why do you want to put it on the recorded for historical purposes? The lawyers have advised that we rather than that. We need to look at psychological damage that they've created. What are the expectations from the society and from the employees when those persons were asked to join them, and the way they have contributed the entire matter.
On November 18, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Ken Nielsen said, quote, "It is expected that Troy will go back to rehiring employees as needed for a startup in the near future, and Troy hopes most current employees will be available and willing to return to work," end of quote. But the union head says he is not buying the statement by Troy Resources.
If these guys are not prepared to respect laws and all these type of things, do you believe these guys are going to rehire all those people? It's a lie. For the months I've been dealing with Troy, they're shifty. Let me make this point again, that for the union to visit the site where the operation is per se, they never permit the union to go on the site. The union has gone up there and they've gone to where the workers are living, the living quarters, that's all.
Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.